just shut down your own language. I mean, shut down Turkish, shut on English. Don't divide your brain in two. Use 100% of your brain. Then, whenever you read the books, don't try to memorize the book. Learn it. Memorizing is different. Learning is different. Okay. How you can learn it? By making practice.
Practice.
You have to make practice with people. Doesn't matter what kind of mistakes you do.
Inshallah. Betul.
Instead of saying function, you can say fuck you. No problem. No problem. You will make mistakes. But mistakes will teach you the right way. Don't hesitate, don't scare to make mistakes. That's what I learned in that English cultural school. Okay, so what I mean is, don't make it copy-paste. No, learn it. If you learn, if you make enough practice with people, be sure that you will be good always. But you have to make practice without any fear, without any scare. Okay.
Alright, go on, Paul.
Yeah, that's really big.
Brilliant idea. We were in explanation about from Mr. Aceh to us. Go on.
So much for your recommendation, advice. Thank you. I mean, it's okay. So, like I said before, I want to be
Translator, Gabon.
help people make without translation, and then I also like to learn to be a good tourist guide.
MashaAllah.
Bit by bit, try to explain things to tourists, foreign tourists, or
our culture, history,
places, landmarks, and many things. I still want to learn more about that from older people, from my seniors, so that hopefully this will become my long-term career. Is there any faculties or university about the tourism in Indonesia?
tourism, Unmuha, tourism.
So you know that the being tour guide is starting with your own area first. I mean, you cannot be, let's say, whole country or national guide first. You can be first your local guide. After being local guide and have an experience, you can continue to be the national one. But you have a handicap. You know your handicap?
What's that? What?
There is a handicap you have. There it is. Handicap. No? Drawbacks. Do you know what is it? What problem you have? I'm not talking about person. I'm talking about whole country. You have 17,503 islands.
Oh, come on, Paul. Come on, Paul.
So, I mean, you cannot be expert
for
all your country. So, what you should do, you should be first, for example, Banda Aceh tour guide. After Banda Aceh, maybe all Aceh. And after that, Sumatra, maybe. But the best way for you to continue like that, I suggest you to go and spend long time in Sabang, because Sabang has got lots of tourists, and you have chance to do lots of free sex too.
Sir, this card Indonesia, this tour guide, but this card Southeast Asia.
I see. Wonderful.
This is from Indonesia. This card Southeast Asia.
I mean, so that's the reason you should start from a point. I mean, you establish yourself a little bit, and whenever you become good because of the, let's say, exams or whatever they give you, then you become, let's say, national one, etc. This is the way how it is going, and that's international way, not only in Turkey. Even though you go to any European country, it is same.
I got
I think that's all from me.
Right. Any question? Alright, no more question, right? Pick something else. Yeah. The floor is yours.